How to check Snapchat best friends list. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. And as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the Snapchat Plus icon. So as you do that, what you can see is, as you scroll down, you can see the option of number one best friend. So you can pin one friend as your BFF and get special friend emoji if they pin you back. So you can just tap on it and here you'll be able to see the best friends list. And as you tap on next, you can see subscribing is not available on the region that I'm right now. So you need to have a premium version or Snapchat Plus in order to check or create a best friends list as well. So, in case of you want to have a list of best friends, you can also tap on extended best friends list where you can double your best friends list to 16 friends and see when they move positions. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.